the only thing that I notice about this gimbal right now is well, how's it going, Maripa Pips? Just want to take a video of my new toy, the DJI RS4 Mini combo. So one of the greatest reason that I bought this is because I want to do some client works already. So I won't be doing it's not it's not that I'm going to leave vlogging, but aside from vlogging, I am going to do some client works also. So I'm open to being hired by companies now to take videos of their, what do you call this, of their products or their companies, because well, just want to increase my revenue because our lifestyle now is getting more expensive, and this is what the channel is all about. It's being lavish yet thrifty. Yes, we are very thrifty, and now since we are very thrifty and we always want to have a good life, we also want to increase our income. So that's why I bought this, because I want to have a better quality of the videos. I already have a previous gimbal, but that was so old already, and then it's so hard for me to do what I really want on the gimbal. And this one for sure, it is going to satisfy my needs and wants on a gimbal. So I won't be talking much about the features of this gimbal, because there are a lot of videos out there right now who are creating content about this gimbal. So the reason that I made this video right now is just because I want to unbox this for you. So just want to because also I just want to let you know that I'm already taking now client work. So this hasn't been opened yet. I just bought this yesterday from Henry's Camera here in Halifax. It arrived a week before, but we were in Alberta during the time we were riding our snowboards there. So yep, so now this is the box. It's quite big actually, and then it's wide, but I didn't expect that. It's cute. I thought it's gonna be a very big box, but it's not. So here on top there is this green strip here where you can open the box. So that's it. I just stripped it off. Then so this is what you are going to get. So first is I don't know where is the area. I don't know where to open this one. All right. Okay, here. There's nothing actually. Oh my god. Okay. This one for sure, it has something because it's heavier. So I don't know what's in this. Okay, so it has so it's like a screw. Yep, so this is the screw. Here you go. This is what I got. So I think this is for the lock. Then next, oh, there are a couple of screws here. Yeah. Then this one, oh my god, this kit is a bit loaded. So there's another screw here, but you have to use a screwdriver for this one. Ooh, got next. So this is just the wire. Okay. There we go. I can't open it, but yeah, this is the wire. I'll just open it later on. But this is just the USB wire. I know you know how does a USB wire looks like. And then this is for sure, it's the tripod. I'm gonna open it for you now. So this is the color of the tripod. Wow, it's small. I'm quite surprised. The size of the tripod that I had with my DJI RSC, yep, RSC, is a bit huge. And then this one, it's like a tripod of the DJI Osmo Mobile. Next. Ooh, this is the most important thing. I think this is the module. Oh, right. The tracking module. This is the one. So this is one of the feature that made me decide to buy this gimbal. And actually, the main reason that I want to buy this gimbal is the feature that you could easily convert the camera from horizontal to vertical. Next is the payload as well. They said that the payload of this camera, it can carry around 2 kilograms. So I'd be using some equipment that is more or less 1 kilogram plus, but it won't reach 2 kilograms. I already weighed them. The next is this is the plate. Wow, the plate, it sounds plastic, but it's not. It's a very light type of they call this metal. See, it's really light. Then it has this swivel here. I think this is the locking mechanism. Oh my god, this is going to be a long learning curve for me because it has a lot of components. Then this one is just the quick guide. So I typically don't read any manuals, but maybe this time I'm gonna read the manual because this is a very technical type of gimbal. Next is what is this? I think this is the okay, it's the hand carry handle. You could twist it, I think. Yeah, there you go. And then you could lock it using this locking mechanism here. That one. So I'm just gonna return it back. I'm just gonna lock it again. Wow. Jeez. Next. Oh. Then this one, it's another plate. Okay. So, oh yeah, so it's another plate for the camera to attach on. So I really don't know what are the technical terms of these plates, but I call them plates. And next, okay, I think that's the last of it. Oh, it's another wire. It's a USB wire, so I think you might need this to connect it to the camera. And last but not the least, well, you also have the desiccant gel here, or the silica gel. Last but not the least, it's the body itself. Ooh. Here it is. Look how small it is. It's really small. Wow. Damn. So this is my iPhone. I think this is 6 inches here. So just do a comparison. It's really small. Wow. Uh, let me see if I could unlock it here. Oh, I can't. I don't want to mess up with this one. I'll just do something. I'll just do it later on because I don't want to break it because I haven't bought the DJI Carry Fresh. So, oh, by the way, since I am an advocate of insurance or extended warranties, so if I were you, I would suggest you buy any extended warranties. Based from my experience, you really need it. Like I used to have this gadget from DJI as well. It's not a drone, it's also a camera. And then I didn't purchase any Carry Fresh. And then actually it's a camera. It's a Osmo Pocket 2. Then it got broken. Then I didn't purchase any Carry Fresh. What happened was I had to pay for almost $100 just to fix it. And the DJI Carry Fresh is just like less than $50. So I guess that was my lesson learned. But the only thing that I noticed about this gimbal right now is well, I also noticed that from the other content creators who made some videos about this, is it doesn't have any removable part like the battery, where you could use other extra batteries, and then you just have to attach it on. Excuse me, my DJI RC2 or 1, the small DJI, it's sort of old. I couldn't even recall its name. It has the detachable handle where it has the battery as well, and then you could change the battery and then use that handle again. This one, it doesn't have any. So I guess it's just one takeaway about this gimbal. Yeah, it's small, it's versatile, it's very handy. It's just that you can't change. So if the battery gets low on this camera, what's gonna happen is you need to charge it, and you won't be able to use it while you're using it. So oh yeah, you won't be able to use it while you're charging this one. All right, yep. So that's all about the unboxing of this gimbal. So there's nothing about saving anything, because buying this one won't let you save anything. But if I bought this because we just want to increase our income as well through accepting client work already. So yep, that's it. If you have any questions or comments about this video or gimbal, please let me know in the comment section below. And then if you want to buy this gimbal, I don't know if you really want to buy it, but you could just go on the description below. I bought this from Henry's. I didn't buy it from Amazon. Usually I buy them from Amazon directly or DJI directly. But you could use my link on the description below if you really want to buy it. Stop recording.